How to send automatic messages when your iPhone is on focus. So let me show you how you can set it up. Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything. Now, you can go to your settings, of course, and check out the focus modes, but they all kind of work differently. And the automatic reply option is only available inside of the driving focus mode, right? So when you get inside of the driving, you can literally set up the auto reply, meaning that you can see that if somebody calls you or gets in touch with you during the period of the driving mode enabled, the automatic reply message will be sent to them, right? You can also decide if you want to set it to the recent favorites or all contacts, right? So you can see that this is the message that you can set up, but as I say, it only works for the driving mode. So if you really want to be, if you want to use the auto reply option, I guess you can also enable the driving mode anytime you want. So that is one thing, but outside of that, you also have the focus status at the bottom of this page, and this basically gives the app permission to share that you have notifications silenced. For example, somebody might be texting you through iMessage and they will expect a reply from you, but they're going to see on their screen that you are currently using the focus mode and you don't see their notifications, right? So if you have that enabled, then the other people might know that you are using focus so that they don't really expect any reply from you. So that is something which you can also set up, but that would be about it. Let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss anything, and I'll see you later.